Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Facial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team called Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. We are continuing with our events, guys. Part 2 of Shining Star. Let's do this. I haven't exactly played a lot, but we have a couple of items, or we have 63 or 73 travel tokens to move a bit for part 2. And so with that said, we're moving on to the next map, guys.
Sweet!
That was stunning, SPL Gum. You never fail to dazzle me with your talent. Part 2, a dramatic intro, is a battle. We are using ourselves, Signasuit, Alessa, and Roltom, and How. Electric types, guys. Let me just lower the volume a bit. And with that said, let's battle.
Hey!
Why they just keep on coming?
Hey!
Let's deal with them quickly. Why not just start the show? Why not just start the show?
Could you help me out?
Okay.
All right!
We're starting the show, guys. Wait a minute, is Alessa going to just switch? How the heck did that happen? Like a magical flash and Alessa has changed outfits. I really want to know the designer's name. I think it was revealed when Brock had his Signasuit. The name of the designer of the Signasuits. I'll check it out later. And with that said, the show is starting.
So fashionable! Hey now!
But that's weird. Marley, Skyla, and Alessa are battling, but we're using ourselves and How.
All right!
It's showtime.
I've been saving this for you.
Guys, why are we using different sync pairs? Isn't that weird?
Let's see who's the best.
Isn't this weird?
Here we go.
Here we go! Now! Here we go!
I'm going to try and just use Rotom for this battle. I'm gonna ignore everyone else, probably for now. I'm just curious. Reduces the sync move countdown of an ally sync pair by 2. Well then,
Do it!
Thunder. If I use How, it's gonna be Look Alive 9. Evasiveness +1.
Fight!
What the heck? Why are you missing all the time? Isn't that the same? If you use it on any other character? Oh, and raises the accuracy and something.
You can do it!
Anyway. Time to use our sync move. Our evasiveness is up.
Leave it to me.
Time for a dramatic victory! Now!
Bagoom! Oh my gosh, that was weak. Okay, time to use the others. Pikachu! Oh no!
Now's my chance.
Okay, we are apparently
Now's my
looking
chance.
down on them.
Fight!
Oh my goodness.
You can do it.
We're looking down on them too much. We better be careful from now on.
Dazzle them.
Fight!
Dazzle them.
You keep missing.
Time for a dramatic victory. Now! Going all out. Going all out. Dazzle them.
Quick!
Should we just use Thunder Shock, Thunder Shock, Thunder Shock?
Dazzle them.
Yeah, we should. How about you?
You can do it. Dazzle them.
Oh, you finally landed.
Time for a dramatic victory. Now!
Awesome.
You can do it.
Goodbye, enemy.
Maybe
Goodbye.
we'd have won if I'd worn cuter clothes.
And with that said, how Scotty Elessa won. And I don't know where Skyla and, you know, Marley went. Moving on to map 3, guys. Come on, SPL Gum. It's time to strut our stuff and dazzle everyone we meet. And oh my gosh, the items needed, the cost has increased or not, I'm not sure. 88 plus 30, not bad. We're going to get everything. If we don't have enough, we play again. Sub area 1 out of 10, so there's gonna be a lot happening here. Moving on, guys, to area
Sweet.
4. That was stunning, SPL Gum. You never fail to dazzle me with your talent. And another battle, we are at level 50 and we're using the same characters.
Yuck. Hey!
Excuse me.
Everyone's cheering. What now?
Excuse me. Huh? Yes?
Oh.
Hey.
Oh, come on.
Time to battle.
Let's turn the show up to 11.
I see.
Hello, Will. Why is it a question mark, question mark, question mark though? Yeah. Oh boy.
Let us begin. Okay.
Here we go, guys.
Now! Here we go!
X special attack. All feel the Alolan Breeze jumpstart.
Now's my
Same
chance.
thing.
Go! Now's my chance.
Thank you for paralysis. My HP, how could you?
Going all out.
And why do you keep missing?
Go.
Dazzle them. Go!
Why does Thunder keep missing?
Time for a dramatic victory. Now!
Let's just use some items. Breathtaking.
I'm stunning!
Put your back into it. Shall we? Allow me.
You still miss? How low is the accuracy for Thunder anyway?
Okay.
How low is the accuracy of Thunder? 70!
Do it!
Shouldn't be that bad.
Time for a dramatic victory. Now!
That's it.
Oh my goodness. That's not good.
Go!
Yes.
Oh, shucks.
Tortuga, you're dead.
Go.
You can
Yes. Paralyzed.
dazzle them. You can do it! Dazzle them.
Go.
Yes. Still paralyzed. Ha 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 ha.
Fight!
Let's see if my Pikachu dies first or you.
Time for a dramatic victory. Now!
Pikachu also has Endure, so he won't die easily. You have to hit him at least twice.
Fight!
But I think you're going down first.
Suppose we didn't train enough.
Stunned you, didn't I?
Complete, guys. I think this is it. Because I don't have enough travel tickets or whatever you call that already. I have one, but that's not enough apparently. And with that said, guys, time to end this part. This is part 2. I'll see you in part 3. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next video.